Okay, this is going to be a quick one. I just kind of want to mention comments because this is something that you might have saw, and I'm going to add throughout all of these different JavaScript files for you to have. So basically what these are, you just add double slash like this, and you can kind of leave notes for yourself or for other people to know what that specific code does. So it doesn't actually affect your JavaScript, it doesn't run anything, nothing happens, it's just kind of a pointer for you to know what's going on in your code. So as you can see here, you just add double slash and then you can kind of write whatever you want here. And again, just gives a bit of a hint of what's going on below. So in case here, I wrote camel case, which is how you write your camel case variables, Pascal case, underscore, and so on and so forth. Now you might also have multiple ones. So, hey, the code here changes the world. Wow, we're so dramatic. So you might want to write more here and add a space, but once you start writing here, you're gonna notice that, hey, this is not working anymore. My code is broken, I'm gonna work for McDonald's. No, okay, no offense to anyone working at McDonald's. Life is hard sometimes, but the way you can do that, if you want to go to another line, is rather than adding double slashes, well, you can add double slash here again, and then you can keep writing. But another way you can do it, if you have these multiple lines, you can add a slash and a star, and then slash, star and slash again, like that. And then whatever you add in between these two, you can just keep going to a new line. All right, you can write numbers, you can write whatever you want here, like that. Well, you can write this because that's gonna close it up. So if you add that again, okay, so you can do this, add your code, make your code nice and visible and easy to read. Use these a lot, but not too much because you might end up just with a lot of comments and barely any code. So kind of use it where you think is necessary or something is a bit harder to understand. Okay, so these are comments.